Welcome to the FOTRIC P-series unboxing video. This video will show you the product and accessories included in the thermal imaging camera kit and how the accessories are used. Open the hard carrying case, and inside is a soft carrying bag. When we open the soft case, we see the camera itself and all of its accessories. Next, we will show how these accessories are used. The power adapter can be used in multiple scenarios with plugs that are compatible with multiple regions. You can plug it into the camera's charging port to power the camera directly, or you can use the charging dock to power two batteries at the same time. Connect with the USB Type-C cable for data transfer and the HDMI cable for video stream transmission. Thanks for watching the FOTRIC P-series unboxing video. Now turn on the thermal imaging camera and start your inspection.